How to start a poultry farm step-by-step guide. Starting a poultry farm can be an exciting and profitable venture if approached with the right planning and resources. This guide will take you through the key steps to get started with poultry farming as a beginner. Step 1. Research and planning. Understand poultry farming types. The two main options are egg production, layer farming, raising chickens primarily for egg production. Meat production, broiler farming, raising chickens for meat. Each type requires different breeds, housing, and feeding strategies. Research the market. Conduct research on your local market. This includes understanding demand. Are there buyers for eggs or chicken meat in your area? Competitors. What are other poultry farmers doing, and how can you differentiate your product? Pricing. What are the going prices for eggs, chicken meat, or chicks? Understanding the market will help you make informed decisions about your production scale, breed selection, and pricing strategies. Create a business plan. A solid business plan will outline the following. Capital investment. Calculate the total cost of setting up your farm, including land, housing, feed, chicks, equipment, and labor. Operational costs include ongoing costs like feed, vaccines, water, and electricity. Revenue projections. Estimate how much money you can make based on the number of chickens, egg production rates, or meat sales. Break-even point. This will give you an idea of how long it will take to recoup your initial investment. Your business plan will act as a roadmap and help you secure loans or investors if needed. Step 2. Choose your poultry breed. Selecting the right breed of chicken is essential for success. Different breeds excel in different areas, so choose based on your goals. Layers. If you're focusing on egg production, choose breeds which lay a large number of eggs. Broilers. For meat production, choose breeds known for fast growth and high meat yield. Step 3. Secure land and housing. Choose a suitable location. The farm location is critical for accessibility, ventilation, and biosecurity. The ideal site should be far from other poultry farms to reduce disease transmission risk. Have access to clean water, electricity, and roads for transportation. Build appropriate housing. Provide adequate space. Layers need about 1.5 square feet per bird, while broilers need around 1 square foot. Ensure proper ventilation. Good airflow is essential for bird health, preventing respiratory diseases. Be predator-proof. Secure housing with strong materials to keep out predators like foxes, raccoons, and birds of prey. Include nesting boxes and perches. Layers need comfortable spaces to lay eggs. Step 4. Set up feeding and watering systems. Feed. Providing balanced nutrition is crucial for the health and productivity of your chickens. There are different feeds for various growth stages. Starter feed, for young chicks, rich in protein to support growth. Grower feed, for broilers after the first few weeks, with a balanced mix of protein, energy, and vitamins. Layer feed, for laying hens, enriched with calcium and nutrients to support egg production. Supplement feeds with grit to aid digestion and ensure free access to fresh greens if possible. Water. Chickens require a constant supply of fresh, clean water. Use automatic or gravity-fed water systems to ensure that the birds always have access to water. Dehydration can lead to reduced egg production or stunted growth in broilers. Step 5. Disease prevention and health management. Poultry farming comes with health risks, so implementing a biosecurity plan is essential. Ensure your chickens are vaccinated against common diseases like Newcastle disease, infectious bronchitis, Marx disease. Work with a local vet to establish a vaccination schedule. Regular deworming and parasite control are also critical. Maintain a clean environment by regularly cleaning out the coop, disinfecting feeders and drinkers, and managing waste. Limit visitor access to your farm, as diseases can easily be introduced by outsiders. Step 6. Marketing and sales. To make money from your poultry farm, you need to sell your products effectively. Here are some options. Local markets. Sell eggs or meat directly at farmers' markets. Restaurants and grocery stores establish contracts with local businesses to supply eggs or broiler meat. Online sales, depending on your location, selling directly to consumers online can be a lucrative option. Establishing a strong customer base is key to success. Step 7. Monitor and scale your operation. Track your expenses, profits, and bird health. Over time, you can expand your operation by increasing the number of birds, adding additional poultry products like organic eggs or specialty breeds, incorporating other revenue streams like selling manure or offering farm tours. Scaling your farm should be done gradually, ensuring you can maintain high-quality production while managing larger numbers of birds.